Hello world, this is the Starship program. My name is Nadir Bagaviev and I'm designing and building the Starship. First of all, the Starship is a very big spaceship that we will be building on Earth orbit. It is approximately 5 kilometers long and 500 meters in diameter. It will take 10,000 people to a next star with habitable size planets. The star's name is TRAPPIST-1, which is 40 light years away from us. It'll take 120 years to fly to it, and it will take 50 years to design and build the Starship. So the whole program is a 170-year program. In this introductory video, I would like to describe main 8 components of the Starship and describe them more in detail in further videos. So the main parts of the Starship are the habitats where people live, the propulsion that propels the Starship through cosmos, the ascent machines, which are rockets that are capable of landing and taking off from planets and asteroids, delivering human and cargo, or to elements machines, which are essentially mining machines combined with refineries, so a machine can consume ore and produce pure element to be taken back to the Starship. Elements to materials machines, which are essentially chemical plants that recombine elements to produce every material necessary to rebuild the Starship or build a colony. For example, it can combine hydrogen and carbon into polyethylene, or carbon and iron into steel, and so on. Element storage, which is a large part of the Starship, to take pure elements with you instead of taking multitudes of parts and be able to produce any material and any part necessary to rebuild the whole Starship or build colonies. And assembly plant that is putting parts together to build machines that you need, including the Starship itself. So these 8 components are necessary for Starship to be capable of leaving the Earth, leaving the solar system, and recreate the human civilization by other stars. My name is Nadir Bagaviev, the Starship Commander. Have a good day.